Hey guys, welcome back to our video demonstration. Well, in this video, I wanna introduce how our application works. Well, people can just click different type for depending on what information they wanna edit. For example, for the household ID, you can just create new to create a new record, and you can fill in all the information and click save. And by the way, all the ID are automatically generated when you click save. So user don't need to worry about the format of their ID. And user can click this drop down triangle to edit or delete it. And also if you have some local data, you can just click import to import the data to our applications. And also you can add some filters. And what's more, you can double click the cell to modify the information and click save. And basically same function for the constituent, create, edit, delete, import, and filters. But I wanna mention one thing. We just create a validation role for the birth date, which is you can now choose the future date for your birth date, because no one could be born in the future unless you have a time machine, right? And same function for the organization. Just create, edit, delete, import, filters. Well, for the affiliations, I wanna mention something. Well, users must select the corresponding constituent ID and household ID from the drop-down list to establish the connection. Well, in addition, the users can assign multiple roles by click this triangle to add and this triangle to delete. And also we create a validation role for the start date and end date. Well, for the start date, it shouldn't be earlier than 1988, which is the foundation date for our company. And both start date and end date should not be exist today's date. Otherwise, user will get an error message. And same function for the address, create, import, edit, delete, and filter. Well, if user wanna generate a report, you can just go to reports and click new report and select the other reports and the report you wanna generate and click continue. And also you can just select information you would like to see under columns and just click them and click refresh, and the columns will be added to the reports. And the group section can be very useful depending on what report you want. And the group rows allow you to aggregate your result based on the section date type. For example, we just choose the constituent ID and click refresh. We can see like each constituent followed by their household ID and address information. And what's more, you can click this pencil icon to edit your name. And you can click save and run and edit the provided field if needed, and click save to view your result. See, your report was saved. And this is how our application works. Thank you guys for watching.